Oh!
Wow!
Oh, what's that?
Ooh!
Okay.
Oh!
Wow, wow, wow!
Bubbles, bubbles everywhere! What a wonderful, relaxing soak this is! Faster, faster! We're gonna catch him for sure! Look at that ship!
Oh! Hmm. Oh.
Ooh!
Oh. What's that?
Oh. Wow. Unbelievable.
Wow!
Wow, wow, wow!
That's amazing.
Oh, but I like that.
That's really interesting.
My eyes are tired, my heart is slow. Where the lonely feelings go, I just don't know.
What a lovely, ripe peach! This one is just right for the basket.
Wow. Okay.
Oh! Hmm. Oh!
Yummy!
Ooh, yummy, yummy!
Hey,
Whatever.
La-di-da-di-da-di-da.
wow! What about that?
Wow!
Yes!
Interesting.
Wow! This waterfall is so beautiful today. Fishing here is the best.
Woohoo! Look at that speed! Nobody's gonna catch me now!
Oh! Hmm. Oh. Oh. What's that?
Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow!
That's really interesting.
Wow, wow, wow!
That's amazing.
Oh, but I like that.
Wow!
All right, class, eyes up here. We can see that 1 plus 2 equals 3. It's a fundamental rule of mathematics.
While the recycling efforts and renewable energy are positive steps, we must address the water quality issues noted here on this report.
I'm shining bright for everyone to see. And come on and share this sunny day with me.
Okay.
Oh la. Oh. 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 What's that? La-di-da-di-da-di-da.
Oh. Wow. Unbelievable. That's amazing.
Oh, but I like that.
Listen closely, because I'm only going to say this once. You are trespassing, and you need to leave immediately.
Ha-ha! Zooming through the clouds! I love flying this plane! It's so fast!
Wow!
That's really interesting.
Useful. tasteful.
Oh la la.
Wow.
Oh. Oh. What's that? Oh.
Wow! What about that?
Wow! I love it!
Wow. Oh.
Wow! That's amazing!
Wow! That's so cool!
Wow.
Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy.
Wow, wow, wow!
Oh, yeah! That sounds wonderful!
Okay.
Oh.
No, 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 no.
Hey.
Whatever. Oh. Oh. Wow.
Bingo.
Yummy. Wow. Yes.
Wow!
Unbelievable.
Ooh, yummy, yummy!
Ooh.
Wow, wow, wow.
Wow!
Wow.
Wow! It's magical!
Wow. That's amazing.
Oh, but I like that.
That's really interesting.
Bye!